This is a master lock number 40. It's not special, there's nothing different about it. I was just going through my locks and organizing things, seeing what I might get rid of and whatnot, and I came across this. And I realized I had never done a video about it. So I'm going to use a Cobra Instruments turning tool, 50 thousandths, and bottom of the keyway, and my Peterson standard hook. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4 is binding. There we go, got to click at a 4. I overset something. There we go. So that was number 4. And then I'm going to come to number 1. And as soon as I touch number 1, it opens. Like I said, not a good lock. It's 4 pins. And all I have to do is set 4 and touch 1 and it opens.